Well, the other half, I kind of forgot to upload the other one that I was going to do some more. Anyways, well, we're just kind of cutting those. I cut the rest of those shells open. They're over here. But these guys cut open. These guys got two more there I got to take care of. Two more outside. And that will bring those guys up to speed. It'll bring them up to speed. Got one there, finish up, and one here. So it'll bring me up to speed on all those guys. For now. And then, which we're looking at that thing there, and I don't know. I think it's a waste of my time. I wish I could just concentrate on the melding thing, you know, the melding thing that I started over here. I think I showed it once already. This guy, and the propane and the propane, but I wish I could focus on that, but I don't think so. I don't seem to be getting on it. Oh, way down underneath here, the regulator and such. Oh. It's just so weird between hitting this and hitting that, around this, around that. Okay, here we go. At least it ain't broken. Put some money into that. Went and got that at a local propane store in town. Got that. And, well, we're getting it nice and warm in here now. That stove there doesn't blow very good. Just doesn't seem to push the air. I'm still going to work on that. Now we're up to 80 in here. This new one is nice and quiet up here in the corner. She pushes the air. I love her. This is the best one. But anyways. But enough of that. I've been running my filtration system up there. Filter the air. Getting back to where I was trying to say is finally got to put these two guys together. Finally tacked them up. That's part of that just a minute. Part of that deal for the front of his tractor. They slide over the forks. Slide your forks in there. And this guy I gotta do some work too. I think I already said something about this once already. We tried to hold on to a cell phone and try to get these guys up where you want them, but you know, these little, you know, I may just cramp them down and yeah, I think I'd just take that little burr out of there, clamp them on down and weld them all up. You know what I'm saying? It's just slides on the forks, and then you put a trailer hitch across the front of it. But anyways, and then I ran out of wire when I was tacking that guy up. So this is the wire I got right there. This company, I don't know what size spools. How can you tell what size spools? 6 pound, 10 pound, 20 pound, 12 pound? Side of this place here. There's the website. But I don't know how many pound they are. 10 pound. I think I want to say they're 10 pound. I don't know. Yeah. All you gotta do is read. All you gotta do is read. 10 pounders. So the wind's whistling outside. And so anyways, that's about what I got going on. Finished up all this little motors for get some more of the coppers. And yeah, that's about what I got going on. Just trying to clean up because I took apart 3 refrigerators yesterday. I think it was 3. So that's what I got going on. Peace out. Subscribe, comment down there. Yeah. Hope you guys are all doing okay out there. Surviving. I know it's terrible. Price of fuel's going up. Can't go nowhere now. COVID's still going. Oh, terrible. But, you know, maybe get your bicycle back out. Ride your bicycle around, you know? Them guys up there. And maybe have to bring them down out the wall. Get to the store and get some more food, you know, because you know that I'm starving. I haven't eaten in a while.